Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add a black border to an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, click on your image and resize this image. You can use full image. Create a layer mask and again press Ctrl T, resize the image size. Right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click, raster layer. Then click effects and click the stroke or border. Select black border. Okay. Then see this border size. You can use fill opacity, use gradient fill stock. See this gradient as I wish. Then click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video.